if I don't feel that I'm best suited for that, but that's what I want to do, you know what I mean?
So that's what you just said at the end is key. You said, how do I overcome that fear of these people thinking that they may be judging or whatever, and then at the very end you just said, if I don't feel I'm best suited for that, but I want to be. Your answer is literally in your problem. And what I mean by that is, nobody feels like that about you except for you. And that's what I'm going to say. What surrounds us is within us. If you feel like people are judging you, that's because of you. It has nothing to do with them, everything to do with you. So my advice, quit being so fucking judgmental, man. On yourself. I'm not even talking about other people. I'm talking about of yourself. Nobody, I'm just telling you, bro. The fact that even just came out of your mouth, that you think that anybody would ever listen to you talk and think that you should hire a face to do whatever, no, you're the only one that would think that, bro. You're the only one. You're personable, bro. I've talked to you multiple times this weekend. That is not a weakness you have. It's a mental weakness you have.